Good morning, everyone. Well, been tinkering with the shovelhead. Been riding the softail. I had to run out and get milk and bugles. I ate all my wife's bugles, and she likes those, so I got her a bag. Then I had to get myself some fake milk. A while back, I figured regular milk was, after all these years, was causing problems with acid reflux a few years ago, so I just started drinking the fake milk with my cereal in the morning. Yeah, I have regular milk once in a while, especially when I eat the berries at night that we pick out back by the old train tracks. But I got some good information from Tatro Machine. He suggested, instead of using the adjustable main jet, to go ahead and use the fixed one, the B, which has smaller holes. I got B and C. And the fuel mixture, I got it set at, I forget what it said, like 1.5 or something to start with. And I actually got a, let's see, yeah, is that it? Oh, yeah, that's the light. So, I don't know how well this is. So yeah, I got an actual hose on that. So it's coming off of this side, so in case it sticks, it drains down underneath the bike, just like other carburetors. I don't know why they never did it on the Bendix. They just put a hole. It's on the other side, but I sealed the hole up. And I know the boot is kind of, I tried to revitalize it with either 303 or the 205 reseal, which is good. And I got some other ones, and then I made that bracket you see right there. That's the bracket. I had a piece of aluminum stock and heated it up and bent it, and so it fits up underneath there. I put a stud up underneath there rather than keep putting a bolt in and out. So I put a stud in there and then a fine thread nut. But the going into the head, of course, it's coarse thread 5/16 18. Let's see. I'll have to scrounge up some Phillips V-headed bolts, fine thread. I don't have any. I just got to keep looking. But I got this side done, and I end up putting a angled, let's see, there it is. Where did the finger go? Up, there we go. I put an angled, larger, instead of straight out, I put it angled and going down, so. And then I did put my little hose holder. I'm waiting today, it's supposed to come in the top piece that goes on the back. So I can put this, and I'll cut the end off. I'll cut the end off of that and put it through there and pinch down on it. I think I'll solder the end first. I had it running yesterday and I tuned it, and I have the squirt on the top hole. That's that there. There you go. Squirt. Put it on the top hole so it's the least amount of squirt. So, yeah, that's what I've been doing, tinkering around. And it seemed to run fine. You know, give it a gas and take right off there. So, I started it so much yesterday, I had to put my, these are pretty good, the CTEK. I got one for the house generator, you know, to keep the battery charged. I got 3 or 4 of these, and they actually rejuvenate batteries. Goes through a cycle, ups and downs on it, and it'll stay in the green, and then every 8 days it'll do the whole procedure over again. So it kind of shocks it and gives it, oh, that's the one, I know a lot of celebrities or whatever, you know, promote stuff, but I think Jay Leno's pretty honest. And he bought, I don't know, 600 of those or something for course, you know, he's got the warehouse full of vehicles. But that's what I've been doing. Yeah, I had those CTEKs for a long time. At least 4 or 5 years. But, and then I'll put my other side of the tank on. That's about it. Well, just want to stop by and say hi. Like all the progress you other guys are doing on your bikes. Either rebuilding or just keeping them going. Thank goodness I have that second bike, and I have that bike too. I just hate, you know, the motor is just so quiet. I mean, internally, it's just awfully quietest Evo, and I've had a few of them. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Probably end up having to sell it. I don't know. You know, I mean, prices are down. Geez, you know, what can you expect to get for, you know, an Evo or, you know, a Dyna? You know, probably just a little bit above a Sportster. Well, take her easy, guys and gals, and see y'all later. Have a great weekend.